pursuing Degree Plus IAS in Pratibha Civils Academy. Today I am here to tell about exports, which is most important for India, and here it is Industry 4.0 opportunities. India is large populous country which has most youth population, and we think that unemployment will be more in this youth population will be there, but not. India has employment, but the skills was not there between the people. So in order to inculcate skills in the people, we have brought the scheme Industry 4.0. This will enhance the skills in the youth and promote infrastructure and enhance collaboration between the industries. Going to the next topic, global capability centers. These are the centers which will enhance the promotion of infrastructure in the tier 2 cities, because we have infrastructure and IT hubs in the cities such as Bangalore, Kolkata, Delhi, etc. But the most people who are migrating to these cities and lower grassroots level people will doesn't have these opportunities. So in order to combat these problems, we have developed global capability centers, and we know that US is exiting from the WHO, and which will concentrate the most of the Asian and African countries will have the opportunity to develop the health sector in the country. Along with that, US banning the H1B visas, which will generate the unemployment in India, because India is the most developed nation in the IT sector. If they ban the H1B visas, they will come to India and it will increase the unemployment in the country. So we brought global capability centers. Another one is air cargo infrastructure upgradation. This will enhance the air cargo infrastructure and warehouses, which is very much responsible for the storing of highly valuable goods, that is horticulture, and collaboration between the custom protocols which will maintain among the countries. And along with that, maritime development. Maritime development will be very much important for India, because due to the Red Sea crisis in the Mediterranean Sea and wars which were going on in the world will affect the trade in India. So in order to combat these problems, India has developed maritime development and to promote trade. Thank you.